What's up, learners? Welcome back. This is Santuri Mahendran from CyberSecurityLearners. Today we are going to exploit CMS. The CMS is Pluck CMS. We are going to escalate. First, we are going to get into the machine, and then we are going to find the ways to escalate our privilege from the normal user to the root user, and we are going to find the root flag. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to import that Pluck CMS, and for doing that, what you have to do is just click on this file and import appliances, and you have to give the location of the Pluck CMS location, and then you can import it. As I already have, I'm not going to do that. Then after that, you can click on the default settings and you can import the appliance. Now after doing that, the next step what you have to do is you have to go to settings and make sure that your Pluck CMS as well as Kali both are in either in bridge adapter or in NAT network. So before turning on your machines VMs, make sure that you should have either bridged adapter or NAT network adapter. Okay, after doing that, just start your machines. Okay, so this is my Kali running here, and this is the Ubuntu machine, which Ubuntu Pluck is running in this Ubuntu machine. So now we are going to exploit this Pluck. So in order to do that, first open up your terminal and find out what is the IP of that particular Pluck machine. So in order to do that, you need to run the netdiscover command, specify the range minus sudo, enter. It's asking for password, give the password. Yeah, it has checked all the IPs within that network, and I'm sure that this is IP 10.0.2.5 is the Pluck CMS IP. So I'm going to stop this and just ping that machine. Yeah, it's pinging. Close it. Next step, just clear this out. What we are going now, next we have to find out the open ports which are available in that particular Pluck machine, so that we can exploit the machine through those open ports. So for that run the nmap scan, nmap -a -t4 and the respective machine's IP address. So -a will give you all the port numbers as well as operating systems information, everything you'll get from -a, and T is the speed. Okay, T4 is the speed. So click on this and wait for some time till it finds something for us. Yeah, now it's saying that port 80 is open, and on that particular port Apache 2 is running. So let's go to Firefox, just see what's there in that. It's saying Apache 2. Only one port is open here. Yeah, now you can see Apache 2 is running and we are not able to see anything here. So next we need to find out the different directories. so that we can know if we get any directories which we can exploit. So in order to do that, go back to our terminal again, and I'm going to use a tool called as fuff. So it after this tool you have to write FFUFF and then the URL and the directory, and this is FUZZ is the it is going to go through all the different directories which this particular website has, and it will fetch us those directories. And this is a W and -W is the word list. I have given seklist. I have seklist, so I have given that, but you can use rocu.txt also. It will take time. It has already found a .ht password and ht access, but both of them are 403. Let's wait for some more time. Yeah, now can you see we have 301 and it's saying a Pluck. So this is the directory which we need. You can just clear this out. After that, go back to your terminal. Go back to your browser, and here check that Pluck directory. I think I have written my IP wrong. Yeah, can you see this now? Can you see this? We have a website. Our website is hosted here, and it has a login page. So click on that. Let's see if we find anything there. Check the page source. We don't find anything here. Okay, close it. The next step is to check the robots.txt file. So check that robots.txt. Let's see if we find anything there. Yeah, can you see this? We have some directories that are data, docs, and secret.txt which are disallowed. We are not able to access this one, but still we can see what's there in each of these directories. Go to this data first. Let's check everything. The same web page is coming in data, so we don't need that. Next, check the docs one. Yeah, some directories are listed out here, so I think we can upload some PHP file here to get the reverse connection. Let's check one more directory, which is secret.txt. Let's check this also. Hit enter. Yeah, if you see here, we have the credential of that particular website. It says admin and password is global123. So let's copy this password, go back, put in the password here, But can you see this? It's saying it's giving us the version of this Pluck CMS. It's 4.7.16. So we can use this as a this as something that with which we can exploit this website. Okay, so let's first log in and see what we'll get from here. Saying password is correct and the website is come up. It has view site, start, pages, modules, options, everything. Just check what are there and everything. Start. It is saying we have some writable options, so we can upload an image, file, modules, thrash, themes, something like that. You can just have a look on all those things and find out if you can do any other kind of uploads in this to get a reverse shell. But let's check some other things also. We have option to upload the themes also. So choose theme, everything is there. Okay, so what we are going to do now is, we know that the CMS is 4.7.16, so we are going to find the exploit by which we can, let's try to find in Google if we get some kind of exploit so that we can exploit this particular site. So for that, go to Google and try to find exploit for this. Is it vulnerable to any kind of exploitation? So let's do that. Yeah, if you see the first link, it says, yeah, here is an exploit from it's a theme upload remote code execution exploit, and author is Shikari. So what you can do, that you can just git clone this particular URL. Go here, copy the URL, copy this URL and go back to your terminal and write git clone and clone the URL. But I already have this, I'm not going to do it. The next step is this ls sit and find. It's I have created a directory called as Pluck, and I have put my that URL which I have cloned, I have put that URL under this directory, and now I'm going to cd into this particular directory. ls. Now can you see we have something called as exploit.py readme and shell.tar, which file is going to be uploaded in that website, and we will be able to do some kind of activities in that website. So let's check what we can do. So before that, just go back to this one, and it's saying it's 2022 6965 CVE, and it says you can run the exploit. The command is given here. Just copy this command and go back to our terminal. Paste this command, change this IP to that Ubuntu's IP, because that's the website where we are going to run we are going to upload our shell.tar file. So the website for me is 10.0.5, port number is 80, admin, and the password is global 123. Now enter. Yeah, it's saying authentication was successful and a web shell is uploaded. So we have done that. Now we will be checking the exact directory where this web shell has been uploaded. So where is that? So this is the part where it got uploaded. So just copy this Okay, so paste it, enter. Yeah, can you see we have a web shell here? From here, let's check if we can execute any kind of command. So ls, so yeah, we can see that this is executing command. Let's try to do some other things. Let's cat etc password. Yeah, we are able to see the etc password file also. So you can run many commands and see if you can find anything else there. Next step is to get a reverse shell from this website to our attacker's machine, so that we can go into that machine and find out the things which are present in that particular machine, any files, secret text which are of any use to us. So in order to do that, what you have to do is you have to run this bash command, bash minus -c, and this is the bash command, and this is the attacker machine, that is my Kali machine's IP, and this is the port number which I'm going to listen. And here you have to start our netcat listener, start this and execute the command. Can you see here we have got the reverse shell connection from that Pluck CMS. And if you type here who am I, it says data. So next let's try to get into Pluck user. Okay, okay, so now let's see what's there in this. Let's cd to home and find out. Cd to Pluck ls. It has listed some files from some directories for us, so you just go through all these directories and find out if you get any thing which is useful for you or which is related to you. But I'm just going to directly cd into that documents. ls, I don't find anything here. Just run ls -la to find the hidden directories, and you can see we have a hidden directory called as vim info. So let's try to get this vim info. Yeah, can you see it's saying keep my password safe? So the password is password 123. So that's good. Now the next step is to as now we are in data, so first we need to become the user Pluck. So in order to do that, what you have to do is just come back from this directory and now so Pluck. It's asking for password, so you give the password which you got. Yeah, it has taken the password. Let's see now who am I. It's saying Pluck. Now we are Pluck. So now try to list out the directories which this Pluck user has. So these are the directories, and try to find out what are the different sudo commands which this Pluck user can run in this particular machine. So sudo hyphen I hyphen L. So it's saying it requires sudo password. So sudo this hyphen L. It's asking for password. Let's give the password. Yes, so Pluck user can run the following commands. So he can run all the commands in this particular machine. So let's try to see how we can get into the root. So to do that, write sudo su who am I? Okay, sudo hyphen yes, and then su who am I? Now it's saying now we are root. So let's try to see what are the different things that are present in root's directory. So we have these many things. Okay, so now try to get into root. Yeah, can you see now we have that r flag.txt. So this is the flag which we were looking at. So let's cat it out. Yeah, this is the flag. I hope that you find this video interesting and useful. And in order to get more such kind of videos, please like, share and subscribe Cybersecurity Learners. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, keep learning, and a very happy hacking.